Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression. 3 times 10 divided by 1/2 then times 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. These two and these two can cancel each other out. So 1/2 times 2 equals 1. And 10 divided by 1 equals 10. 3 times 10 equals 30. But this answer is not correct. No, the correct path. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, we first do parentheses, PEMDAS, We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Here we have these parentheses, and we have division and multiplication in these parentheses. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we work from left to right. Here, first we do 10 divided by 1/2. And based on KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. 10 divided by 1/2 can be written as 10 times 2. And 10 times 2 equals 20. 20 times 2 equals 40. And 3 times 40 is equal to 120. So our final answer to this problem is 120.